Look, everybody wants perfect skin. You want to cut out acne. You want to get rid of all the oiliness on the skin. Look, I get it. The issue is, though, you want to have it, but sometimes it's your own actions that are causing the acne flare-ups and the breakouts. Look, I almost guarantee you that most guys commit at least one of the 6 bad habits that I'm going to talk about in this video almost daily that basically adds fuel to the fire and destroys your skin. Today, I'm going to talk about just that so you can avoid ruining your skin. Let's hop in. Number 1, and the one thing that I never recommend to do is to shave in the shower with the razor. See, the problem here is not the shaving itself, it's the actions that you take after the fact. See, most people, when they shave in the shower, they leave the razor there inside the shower. When you store your razors in the shower, they start getting rusted away and dull. The next time you step in, you go and shave again, but now you're shaving with the dull, rusted out razor. This pretty much scrapes the topical or surface layer of your skin and then infects it with the rust that's on those blades. Talk about destroying your skin. Which takes us on to number 2. You drink too much alcohol. See, alcohol is one of the most destructive substances that you can take for your skin. Not only does it promote inflammation, it also sucks away hydration from the skin, leaving it dehydrated, fragile, and brittle. It also robs the skin of essential nutrients such as vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin A, which is a powerful antioxidant that your skin needs. So I recommend 2 things. Either 1, control the drinking, or 2, if you're going to drink a lot, which most of you are going to do it anyways, that's fine, at least try to chug down a lot of water to balance out the hydration and combat some of those damaging effects that alcohol has. Number 3, you're using the wrong moisturizer. See, what most don't understand is that the skin around your eyes, the skin on your face, and the skin on your body are all different and require different moisturizers. So when you grab your basic body lotion and try to apply it on your skin, it's gonna be too thick. It could end up blocking your pores, which end up leading to acne breakout. It's much better to find a specific moisturizer for your face, for your body, and your eyes. And if you want to take it a step further, find a moisturizer for your specific skin type. See, on top of having different areas of skin, your skin and my skin are completely different. We have different needs. We have a different composition. If you want a moisturizer that's 10 times more effective, find one that works for you. This is exactly why I use my moisturizer from Geology. See, my moisturizer was formulated for my skin. This is why my skin routine is so on point. See, Geology has won 4 grooming awards for one main reason. It's probably the best skincare system on the market because unlike other skincare products, it develops a skincare system for you, for your needs, for your skin type. That way, you have products that are actually effective. The cool part with Geology is that when you go to the site, you can take a quick little skin quiz. Then an actual skin professional takes a look at your profile and recommends and formulates a skincare system for your skin needs. This is why they've won so many awards and why they're so effective. So if you have specific needs like you have redness or acne, or maybe your skin's too oily, or maybe it's too dry, they take that into consideration, formulate for you a specific kit, and now you have everything you need to have perfect skin at home. The great part is it gets delivered right to your door. That way you have nothing to worry about. So if I were you, I'd click that link down below. Go ahead and check out Geology. There's also a massive discount. See, it's already crazy affordable every month, but just for you guys, for the first month, they're gonna take off a massive percentage off just so you can try it out almost completely risk-free on top of having that free skin consultation with the professional. That way you get the products that you need, and now you're taking care of your skin properly. Bro, your skin's gonna be glistening. I want you to check it out and see why it's won so many awards and thousands of men already hopped on. If you guys wanna check out Geology, they'll be linked down below. Number 4, you eat too much sugar. See, sugar is a simple carb. Simple carbs attach to protein in the bloodstream, which then end up robbing you of collagen and elastin. This ends up leading to saggy skin and wrinkles. Not to mention that sugar is also a dehydrator, which removes hydration from the skin, also promoting inflammation, and it's also been possibly linked to encouraging acne flare-ups. Which takes us on to number 6, you're spending too much time in the pool. Look, I want to warn you before time. See, summer's right here. I know for a fact you're going to be attending pool parties left and right, but I also want to make sure your skin's on point, right? I don't want it to look ashy. I don't want it to get dried. I don't want it to get destroyed. The problem is that when you spend too much time in the pool, not only is the sun damaging your skin, but also the chlorine in the pool is very harsh on the skin. Doing this repeatedly not only blocks pores, but also overly dries the skin. When your skin is dry, it's brittle, it's open, it starts cracking. This is where the infections start to creep in and you start getting breakouts. Look, I'm not stopping you from pool parties. What I want you to do is to try to avoid the time that you spend inside the pool. Yo, go to the pool party, have fun, show off the bod that you've been working on. Keep your skin on point, bro. That's it from me in this week's video, guys. Those are 6 daily habits most dudes are making that are completely damaging their skin. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Geology. They'll be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.